Hello, everyone. Hope you are doing well. It is finally the weekend. I know a lot of people on Friday probably were shocked when the market just dumped on them. I'm assuming. Obviously, it is the weekend now, though, so we're all safe. We could just speculate. Let's break down what happened this past week. Monday, we had that very big, you can follow my mouse right here, that very big, nice gap up. Also, before we get into it, guys, please like this video, subscribe, really helps out the channel. So, we had a very big, nice gap up. Everyone probably was thinking, oh, wow, we're about to go higher. In my eyes, I saw this double top. Look at this on the weekly, this March high, and then July double top. This is weekly. I thought, hey, maybe we're going to make the move up to break it. And it just didn't work out. Obviously, we gapped up, consolidated, kind of caught everyone, accumulated, and then we moved up the fake out. Everyone's probably thinking, oh, wow, we're about to break out essentially, and then we dump on everyone on Friday and gave back everything from the week essentially. So that's kind of just how the market ended up panning. There's been that overbearing fact of, man, is the market gonna head lower? When is the market gonna head lower? Everyone's kind of asking that question. Also, probably now even more because if you really do look at it, I'm gonna pull up the week for you guys. There's this double top. Once we break that, I think there's a high chance we eventually break that. I don't know when we will, but I think there's a high chance, obviously, in the future. We will only be 4% away from all time highs. So a lot of people are going to feel like, wow, I just missed out on some investment opportunities. I saw it down here. I thought we were going to go lower. And that's how I was too. I mean, I cannot believe we are this high up. But as you guys know, in the market, it does the opposite of what everyone's thinking at this point, beginning of the year, everyone's like, "Oh, the market's gonna go lower. The market's gonna go lower," and we've just been grinding higher. So, guys, there is that overlooming fear that we will dump eventually. I do think we fill this gap, as you guys can see. Look at this support zone right here. We went straight through it. We're retesting it. That Friday dump made this candle very bearish, and I think we are going to be heading lower. We're going to be filling this gap right here. That's just me speculating. Obviously, always manage risk. There could be a different outcome. That's what I'm going to be planning, though. I'm going to want to be bearish till we get to this level. Once we get to this level, we would reevaluate. There's obviously another gap down here. But I think this double top all the way from March and July, very big chance that eventually it gets broken whenever we do catch our legs. So if you look on the hourly, obviously going back to that setup, we accumulated. We had the fake out to the upside, very calculated move, and then we had that dump. So textbook. We'll see what happens in the future. Friday making me feel more bearish. Um, Obviously, if we would have closed up here, yeah, we would have been looking like we're heading for just the breakout and, man, all-time highs probably. But that didn't happen. So we got to see what's going to happen this week. It's going to be a telling week. If we open up, bounce right back, or pop into this level and then fail, I wouldn't be surprised to see this gap be closed. I think that will be healthy for the market for us to close it. It's kind of going back and dotting all its I's in a sense, the market, before it makes that move higher. There's another gap right here that it could close. I think that's what I'm anticipating. That's where I'm going to be basing my trades around for us to go lower this week. Obviously, if we don't, then we'll have to reevaluate. If you guys like this content, make sure you guys subscribe, like the video, share it with someone. Thank you guys for listening, watching. Hope you guys have a great weekend, guys.